So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here today at SM Mega Mall for the launching of this all-new Honda Brio and the all-new Honda City. So I'll cover the RS models first because of course this will be the popular choice amongst buyers because they're the top of the line models. However, I will cover soon the base trims of all cars. So this will be about the top of the line models first. So what I have here is the all-new Honda Brio 1.2 RS CVT. You get a new front fascia. I do love this black grille along with the red RS logo. The ground clearance more or less the same like that of the pre-facelift model. This side profile, okay, you get gloss black mirrors over here, LED lights. Even the rear looks exactly the same too. Boot space yet again remains exactly the same. So the boot space, take note, that was the V-Van. That would be a separate video. So not much changes here to this Honda Brio RS. I mean, just the face, but everything else is still the same. So powering this thing is still the same 1.2 liter engine. That produces 89 horsepower and 110 Newton meters of torque. So like most of the Brio and most of the Honda lineup, this one is mated to a CVT transmission. So check out my pre-facelift model review. Link of that will be in the description down below. So as well, I do love the new color of this Brio. It looks very similar to that other Japanese car. I wonder what that is. We will never know. So we're done here with this Brio RS. Let's check out the City RS. So the other RS model available now is this all-new 2023 Honda City RS CVT. So yet again, this is just a facelift model. There's a little bit more to that too. So look at the looks of this now. Looks much more sleeker, aggressive. Yet again, you get that carbon fiber chin over here and more protrusions here on the bumper. Same too on the side profile. You get same set of wheels as well. You get new somewhat side skirts over here, but rest of the aesthetics looks exactly the same like with this side mirror. Now to my favorite part of this all new Honda City RS is the rear. Just look at that rear. You still get the sexy almost BMW 3 Series tail lights, but my favorite part, I know it's a little bit OA, but I do love the diffuser. It just suits this City RS well. So here in the interior, it's exactly the same like with the Honda Brio RS, but they're not exactly the same thing. I mean, they're just the same from their pre-facelift counterparts only. And hiring this thing, nope, that is the fuel filler cup, sorry. There we go. So hiring this all-new Honda City RS facelifted model is still the same 1.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine with still best in class 120 horsepower and 145 Newton meters of torque. And like with the name, this one is still mated to a CVT transmission. So check out my pre-facelift review. The link of that will be in the description down below too. So I still love the driving dynamics of this. Still one of the best driving ones in its class. Honda Philippines decided to kill off the manual for this Honda City. Anyway, since I'm done now with the Brio RS and City RS, these are the prices for the all-new RS models. So there's of course little bit of a price increase. Oh, I forgot to mention too, with this Honda City now, this is now equipped with Honda Sensing. Now that's more like it. So with the price, it might be a little bit more expensive than some of its competitors, but you can vouch for it because of the safety features. So yeah, that's a quick walk around tour of both the Brio RS and the City RS. So thank you again to Honda Cars Philippines for letting me in this event. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you with the other variants of the Brio and this Honda City. Bye bye. I won't close the hood.